So whenever you plan to run your Google Ads, then the first things that come into mind is how much should be the budget for your Google Ads campaign. So in this video, I will guide you how you can decide the ideal budget to start your first campaign. And I will not tell you, it's a Google suggestion and how to take that Google suggestion about the budget. If you talk about the manual budget, then you can decide any much budget as per your plan. Like you may have planned for 50,000 or 5 lakh marketing budget of your company, so you can plan accordingly. But many business owners have no idea that how much is the ideal budget. So in this video I will start with the keywords, how to find the keywords and to see their cost per click, and based on that one Google give us the suggestions like what should be your ideal budget to start with. And during this process I will guide you how to you can set up the campaign right from there. And you will also learn many useful tips about Google Ads. So stay with this video and watch till the end. So suppose we are going to do keywords and campaign planning for a graphic designing company that is specialized into logo and brand naming design. So what we will do, first of all we will go to the keywords planner. Okay, and we will find some keywords that should be related to the business. So suppose like they have the logo designing services, so we will take keywords like logo designing company and logo designing services. uh, okay, so we will start with these two keywords and let's see the results. See, it's important to take the keywords like this one: logo designing company, logo designing services. You can also take logo designing agency. Okay, we are not taking the generic keywords because people who are searching for the AI tool or some Canva or free tools can also see our ads. So we should target only people who are looking for any company who is specialized into graphic designing, branding, logo designing. So these are the good keywords that I input here, and then these are the generic keywords. Okay, if you take this one, it can be for any tool, so it's not the good quality keywords for the company that is advertising Google, sorry, logo designing. So we will only take such keywords having the term like company, agency, services. So let me find this one. We can take this one also. Okay, so since that's all, so let's start with these keywords at the moment. I will add this to a new plan like logo design, and from here you can create the aid groups also, and you put it into a match type. Let's take a exact match. I will add this one keywords. Now I will see those keywords, and right from here you can see the keywords, the average monthly. You can see their bidding, like how much each click will cost, right from 2 rupees to 73 rupees, and these are the bidding range. And right from here we can create the campaign, your campaign. See, Google is suggesting us this one budget, so here you can get the budget idea like here. And right from here you can create the campaign. So this is how you can create your new campaign, and Google suggests the budget here. So from here we can see your campaign. So Google automatically created our campaigns, but it's important to review its settings. In campaign setting, you have to see like this one, what is your marketing objective, you have to select this one here. Then ensure these are not selected by default. Okay, you have to check for the bidding, what bidding you want to start with. If you don't have any historical data, then go for the manual bidding, not for the automation. And then you have to select for the India which location you want to target. Like if you want to target the metro city, you can enter from here. You can add more locations here. And also you should update the language. Like English is the best one, unless you are providing some local business or local services. So that's all here. There are other settings that you can use. And now go to the campaign, and here is your campaign, and here is one age groups we have. And we have this one keywords that we selected during our campaign setup. And you have to create the ad copy, because Google won't create it automatically, so you have to make the good ad copy. So this is how we decided the campaign budget of 1000 per day to start with. And we also have the keywords with automated bidding. And if you want to do manual bidding, you can select the manual bidding, and based on the keywords idea, you can select 40-50 rupees as your manual bidding. So that's all in this video. And if you want more such video, want to learn Google Ads, you can follow the channel. Thank you.